Hey, what's up? Welcome to another class. In that today's class, we just gonna learn about this new tool option, this eraser tools. This shortcut shift plus E. When you click shift plus E, you just get this option. So how to erase a tool? Eraser is meaning eraser rubber. So if you do any kind of mistake, you can remove it by your rubber or eraser. So this is the same type of thought in here. So you make that design. So you think if you want to change any kind of shape, any kind of thought, you want to delete or erase anything, so this eraser tools is really helpful for you. And these are pretty much time saver, I must say you, when you learn this Adobe Illustrator thought, so you must clear this eraser tools. That's really time saver and really effective. So for example, I'm just gonna show you. You see that part, right? In here we have this object, this object. So we just Control C copy, Control F front paste, right? Control C copy, Control F front paste. So we just make this color a little bit down. So we have this body shape a little bit different. So then we just choose this eraser. So when you click your arrow bracket, left side bracket, it does erase this brush size little higher, and this left side, so this brush size lower. So these are really easy thought. So you can control your brush if you want to increase it. So press this right first bracket button on your keyboard. So then this like this. So this is boom. So that how you see that you get this shape. So then if you choose any kind of if you removed any kind of object, so just select that, just select it, and then select it, then erase tools, you can delete. You see that we have this shape, we just remove this part. So this is how you after complete your design, you can remove your definitely you can erase your object. So this is really pretty much a simple thought. Like this one, we have this text one. So I'm just gonna share you one thing. You see that this is hey, so we have this font mode, but this is not this is a font mode, font text mode, right? You know what is font text mode on your typography class, I describe about that. So this is here we can't use it. You see that because it's now in text format. So make it click your right button, then create outline. So when you make it create outline, is now vector format. Now it's a vector format. In that how is you can any kind of text make it vector format. So then you just choose this erase tools option, then you just erase tool option. You see that, so you can remove it. You just remove it. So this is pretty much a simple that you're gonna effect in here like this. So you can do like that. In that how you can remove your object in a perfect shape. So you can if you want to increase it like a second bracket or third bracket, I don't know, just press it. How to increase this brush size. Okay, so then I think this class is a little bit fun to you. So you see that this have some little bit effect in here. So this how you just like this. So we have this another Control C Control F. So you see that we have this shape. That's a really look really cute. And in that how you just use your eraser tools option. So that's it, and that's a scissor tool. The scissor tool is not too much important. To be honest, I don't use it. I never use it. So like this one, so F, we have this F, so make it create outline. So when you just eraser tools and scissor tools, then you just click it and like this, you just remove your, when we take this class is pen tools, we know this add anchor point. So in scissor tools, they just delete this anchor point part. When you click this anchor point part, it will be delete like that. So it's not much important. So we have lot of option to cut off like this. So don't focus on eraser tools. Scissor tools. Don't beat me, my English a little bit different sometimes. So scissor tools is not much important. Eraser tools is really important. So I wish you just enjoy this class, this eraser tools, and if you really thought this class helps to you, and don't forget to subscribe, because your subscribe help me to motivate me to make this kind of video, this kind of tutorial. And please, if you have any question, if you made any kind of confusion, just comment down below. And if you subscribe and if you make it help, so we can make this family bigger. And I really thought that we just upload every kind of tutorial, so people can learn this graphic design and how to work like that. And thank you so much. And to be honest, I really don't make intro thought, because I don't want to waste any kind of time. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And that's we just pass lot to class, and wish you get what you want, and wish you proper respect your time. And if you think that's really useful for you, please subscribe and make this family bigger. If we make it together, we can make these changes. And thank you so much.